My name is Eric, and it really is a pleasure to be here from down in Wellington. We put this together because we wanted to teach kids the fundamentals, I guess, of the design process. I really wanted to encourage them that, you know, whether they're a brilliant sort of writer or a brilliant drawer or a brilliant actor or any of that sort of stuff, that's all well and good, but there's a creative process, and if you follow the creative process through, then you're going to end up at a really good result. It's not necessarily about the most beautifully drawn picture, it's about coming up with a bunch of ideas, getting a bit of drama into it, getting a little bit of that sort of cinematic feel into it, telling a story, and coming up with an idea from nothing, which is a skill that I think is really hard to learn and takes a little bit of confidence to go from sort of completely blank slate to a monster in 45 minutes flat. So that's what we tried to do today.
Personally, what I enjoyed most about the workshop was the freedom and the safety of being yourself, and it was fun.
In this event, I learned that creative thinking is all about, not about talent, but actually about our ability to work in a team as well as being able to communicate with others.
Working creatively is very much a process, and to work with the things that we're given, so the things that we know, take them and learn from them and develop that.
The kids were so incredible, really impressed with all of them, really impressed to see what's coming out of the Bay of Plenty area with these young people. They were so attentive, they were so creative. I think the next generation of crew at Weta Workshop is well covered just from this room alone. I mean, the imaginations are awesome.